Okay, now I'm gonna test without the input jack. Let's increase the master volume to 4 or 5 and crank up the volume for normal channel, also for bass instrument. As you can hear the rumbling sound, and when I turn up the volume, okay, let's try to turn on the unit. Power on. This is my testing speaker, and standby on. Now the noise is gone. It is because of the grounding problem from the channel 1 and 2 jack input. Okay, I think we have a problem here. This input jack is not touching each other. This one and this one. It should be touching each other. When you plug it into the instrument, it should be separate like this. I'm gonna try to plug in. It should be separate. And if I unplug, it should be stick together. Okay, I already opened it and it seems both are the input jack is not connected. This plate and this plate. Also we have a corrosion going on here that causing the ground is not connected to the chassis. So I'm gonna clean this maybe with sandpaper or lubricant oil, and let's see how it works. This input jack has 2 rings. This ring is directly connected to the chassis, the grounding chassis. If you can see, there are a brass metal plate here. Because of rust and corrosion, it's not connected to the grounding, so it may develop a noise issue from both channels. Also, I think we have a grounding problem in these 2 plates. This is supposed to be connected, but I checked with my multimeter, it's not showing any connection. See, it's intermittent connection. There's no connection. Also here, it's supposed to be connected. When you plug it into the jack, it should be disconnected. Also, if you check this connection, see, sometimes it's connect, sometimes it's not, because of the rust and corrosion going on here. See, there is no connection here because of the rust and corrosion. And I already sandpaper some of this side Let's check. Supposed to be connection all around. So we need to clean all the rusty surface from this ring, both sides, because each side is connected to the grounding of the chassis. It will make a noise when you have no connection to the ground, like this. Okay, after several minutes sandpapering this ring, I'm gonna check. Check the other side. Okay, this one I think it's already clean. This one I'm not cleaning completely yet. There's a corrosion there. I need to clean also. And this is how you clean the double plate that connected to the ground. It's supposed to be connected and right now it's not connected, so I'm gonna clean. This is how you clean it. Plug the jack, maybe like this, not fully connected, and you can insert the sandpaper inside and start sanding until the rusty corrosion is gone. You can check again with your multimeter for the connection. Yes, it's now connected, the two plate. It is working good now. Before we have no connection for the grounding. So also check for this side for the channel 1. Yes, we have connection now. Also, you need to clean this breastplate from corrosion or rust surface. Okay, after cleaning the input jack, both of them, and sandpaper all the ground with the lubricant. Okay, let's try to turn on the unit. Power on. This is my testing speaker. And standby on. Okay. Now the noise is gone. It is because of the grounding problem from the channel 1 and 2 jack input, because of the corrosion and rusty connector. And that's how you fix the noise and the amplifier, especially the old amplifier. Okay, after solving the noise from the bass instrument channel 1 and 2, I will continue to clean all these switch, potentio. Also this channel has a problem with noise, I will clean it, all the rust and corrosion going on. And yeah, I hope reduce the noise. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this sharing helps. Subscribe to my channel to see more video like this. Thank you very much. Terima kasih.